Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change wallet address on Tonkeeper. Updating your wallet is crucial for ensuring secure transactions and managing your digital assets effectively. So, let's get started on how to change wallet address on Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the address option. Here you can see the old address and new address. So your old address is changed and you have a new address now. And this is how you can change wallet address on Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.